Guys, look at this. Guys, I was just in time to see this man making this dog. I don't know what he used. I will soon find that out. Look at this. This is so awesome. But guess what? I wanted to do an interview with him, but he does not speak English and he does not speak French. Guys, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It's made of sand and water. But guess what? I want to interview him. I want to interview him, but he don't speak English and he does not speak French. But trust me, this is awesome. Made from sand and water.